Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Power Automate flows for Microsoft Teams approvals step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Power Automate website. Log in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, click on Create from the left-hand menu. Choose Instant Cloud Flow. Assign a name to your flow. Select the trigger, which in this case will be for a selected message from the Microsoft Teams connector. Click on the Create button. You'll be redirected to the Flow Editor. In the editor, locate the New Step button and click it. Search for Microsoft Teams in the Action search bar. Select the action Post an Approval. Configure the approval message by filling out the necessary fields. You can customize the title, details, and the approvers. Add any optional fields according to your requirements, like due dates or comments. After configuring the approval message, click on the New Step button again. Search for condition and select it. In the condition, set the logic to determine what happens when the approval is accepted or rejected. For example, you can specify that if the response is approved, a follow-up action occurs. Fill in the if yes and if no sections with the corresponding actions. This might include notifying team members or updating a status in a SharePoint list. Once all steps are configured, review your flow. Make sure there are no errors displayed on the screen. Click on the Save button to save your flow. To test it, go back to Microsoft Teams. Find a message you want to configure approvals for. Right-click the message and select the flow you created. Follow the prompts to initiate the approval process. Monitor the responses from the approvers directly in Power Automate. That's how you configure Power Automate flows for Microsoft Teams approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.